Alright guys, admissions just came out for MIT. It's Pi Day today, as they said. They said they're going to release at 6:28. It's 8:53, kind of late, just came home from the gym. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Okay, so it's really hard school. I'm pretty sure it's like, I think 5%, 4% acceptance rate, like Stanford level. So you hope for the best, but can't get mad. Damn, so I'm guessing if I press enter, it's just gonna pop up, slam right at me. Alright, let's go. Let's see what happens. You know what? It's all good, because at the end of the day, it's a big name school. 1,500, less than 1,500 kids got in out of 20,000 candidates. So you know that very selective. It's hard. Obviously, I do want to get in, but you can't be confident like that. You can hope, but you can't have high hopes because it's MIT. Let's be honest. Everyone and like their mother, father want to go to the school. It's one of the biggest names. You can't be mad. Can't be upset. It's all good. Damn. Yeah. It's all good though. It's all good. Keep looking forward. Move on. I'm sure whoever is watching this right now, you guys probably apply. You guys either maybe got in, didn't get in. Comment down below what happened. What's your case? What happened to you? Your reaction. Like the video, share, subscribe. I'm gonna bring more college reaction videos like Harvard, Berkeley when they come out in 2 weeks. So, peace. Thanks for watching.